Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. I'm in Latrobe. There's lots of exciting things happening here in Latrobe. So we have to clear out the entire shop because we're getting a brand new floor. It's been 7 years since this floor was done. We're going to be redoing it this weekend. So stay tuned for that. It's pretty cool. There's also some fun stuff happening outside. Show you that in a second. We'll start over here with this G-Wagon. This is a final edition satin finish paint. I love this like dark forest green kind of color. And it got PPF on the front end to stop rock chips and scratches and a ceramic coating. We're cleaning up the interior now. We do that with every coating and PPF job. So if you hear a vacuum, that's what you're hearing. Behind John, we've got a Tahoe High Country. This got PPF on the front end, ceramic coating and window tints for our good friend Tom. Buick Enclave got some PPF on the front, hood, fenders, bumper, and mirrors. This car is here from a body shop. We need to recoat one of the panels. It was in an accident and repaired. And insurance typically does cover coatings and PPF if you have your receipt. Over here, we've got a Suburban. Max and Aaron are diligently working on this mirror to make sure, what, Max? That it's perfect. Thank you for that. These guys do a really, really great job every single day in and day out. We're busy year round. On the lift, we've got a Tesla Model 3, new body style, here for PPF. It's done and ready to go home as well. And Caleb is modifying and cutting some patterns over there on the plotter for today's PPF jobs. In the tint bay, Terrell is working on tinting a Maverick all the way around. Outside, we've got a couple different cars. We have a Toyota GR86. I was just told this is our friend Caleb that used to work here. He now sells Toyotas. Sounds like he's doing a great job doing that. We wish him luck. If you're in the market for a Toyota, go see Caleb. I think he's at Shorkey Toyota. If I'm wrong, I apologize. Over here, we've got a couple things. We have our Subaru WRX here for window tint and a Hellcat Durango, of course, my favorite Durango. This one's here for an annual inspection. And there's a Ram 2500 that's here for PPF. When we originally did PPF on this truck, they did not have patterns for the grill yet. And although we can do hand cut pieces, grill's pretty complicated to do by hand. So the customer elected to wait until those patterns came out, and so it's back. And down there, you're gonna see some action happening, some gravel's going down, and land getting cleared because we are building a new building right there. Might not look like a lot of space, but it's bigger than it looks. We're gonna be able to get a pretty decent shop down there that'll fit like 6 cars, maybe even 8 cars, conference room, offices, all kinds of awesome stuff. So exciting things happening for us as we're looking to expand across the country. We're gonna need an HQ to work out of, and that's gonna serve as that. So let's see what's happening at the other stores.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Back in the PPF bay, we have not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 full wraps in for this week. Over here, the Panamera is currently getting prepped. This is in for a full 8mm paint protection film wrap, tint on all the side windows and the back window, and an 8-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have a 540 BMW. This one is currently in the works. You can see the hood is done, as is the trunk. So this is getting xpel Stealth paint protection film. You can see we tinted the windows on this vehicle yesterday. Once the PPF is done, we are also doing an interior and exterior ceramic coating, along with windshield protection film. And over here's a couple vehicles from Ken Ganley, Audi, Porsche Swickley. This one is a new 911. This is getting a full 8mm PPF wrap and an 8-year ceramic coating. And the RS7 up on the lift here, as you can see, is getting Stealth. This one is just about done. We got Steve and Austin doing some trim pieces on it. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Ford Expedition. This is in for a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up is a Tesla. This one is a completed job, just awaiting pickup. We tinted the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint and did a full polish and 8-year coating. Next in line for a ceramic coating is this Volkswagen GTI. We tinted the side windows and back window on this vehicle earlier in the week. Did some paint protection film on the bumper, hood, mirrors, and headlights, and is now prepped and ready to go for a full polish and ceramic coating. Here's another Model Y, which is also complete. This one just got window tint and PPF. So this got a front bumper, 4 full doors, and paint protection film. And we also tinted the 2 front windows in 15% and the entire back section in 70%. Not to darken the windows, but just for UV and IR heat rejection the whole way around. Next is the Lexus RX. This got some paint protection film yesterday. We did the bumper and the hood in PPF, and it is going to be after the GTI, so in for this week for a full polish and ceramic coating. Finally up front is a Corolla GR. This got a full wrap about a year ago. Many people know most insurance policies do cover the cost to get PPF and ceramic coating reapplied. So after this vehicle was in an accident, we re-PPF'd and re-ceramic coated the front bumper, the front driver fender, and the front driver door.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the tint bay, we have this Lincoln Navigator tint for ceramic tint all around, including a 70% front windshield. Here, Alfredo's taking care of the back windows. As you can see, all of our door panels are nicely protected to make sure that all the water stays out of the leather stitching. On the lift, we have this 2026 Stingray convertible. It's in for a full body paint protection film and our 8mm Ultimate Plus, and then receiving a 4-year ceramic coating over the top of it to protect everything from its South Florida sun. We will also be ceramic coating all the red interior to make sure it stays stain free. Outside waiting for pickup is this Tesla Model 3. We did a full XR Plus tint all around, including the front windshield, 20% and 70%.